Allahumma la sahla illa ma ja'altahu sahla wa anta taj'alul hazana idha shi'ta sahla. Amin. Welcome back to my channel. With you is your brother Abu Jandal, and today we have another very important topic that if you were to stay tuned from the beginning to the end, you will gain a lot, inshallah. Are you gonna be with me? Be with me. Now when you look at the board, you see these two words. The first, kila, and the second, kilta. These two words, both of them means both in the English language. You know, in English language, I will say, how many of you are there? You say, both of us. How many books do you have? You say, both. I have both books, meaning I have both of the books you're talking about. So the word for both in the Arabic language is kila and kilta. However, kila is used for masculine representation, while kilta is used when you want to talk about feminine words or things. Now, from our book, Durus al-Lughat al-Arabiya, you are going to see a lot of examples, and this topic will be so much summarized in this book that you may not need any other resources to use in understanding. We are still on lesson 9 of our book, Durus al-Lughat al-Arabiya, on book 3, and right away, let's dive into the business of the day. Here we have ta'ammal al-amthilat al-atiya likila wa kilta. Study and ponder over these examples for the word kila and kilta. Looking at here, you see aina akhawaka. Recall that previously in the last episode, link placed above, we had discussed about how to form the muthanna, the dual words, especially when you want to do al-idafa, which is possession. Like if I want to say my two brothers, we have learned how to say it. I will simply say akhawaya. My two parents, I will say abawaya. My two books, kitabaya. Do you understand? MashaAllah. Your two books, kitabak. MashaAllah. Now when you look at this, you see aina akhawaka. Where are your two brothers? What is the response? He says kilahuma, meaning both of them. Kilahuma, the two of them, fi Dimashq, are in Damascus. The two of them are in Damascus. So you can see how he used the word kila. In the second example, we say ara'ayta al-mudarrisain. Do you see the two teachers? The response is na'am, yes. Ra'aytu kilayhima. I saw the both of them. Now the first we say kila, and the second we say kilay. What is the difference? The difference is very clear. Kila is used when the word is in the nominative case, meaning it is not in the accusative case or in the genitive case. You have learned this previously, and if you don't understand it, you can click on the link above to watch a video on the topic of when a word should carry fatha, kisra, or dhamma. And in words like this, with alif and ya is the representation of the kisra, fatha, and dhamma. So kila, you can see the word kilahuma fi Dimashq, but here we have ra'aytu kilayhima. I saw both of them. This shows that the word kilayhima is coming as the maf'ulu bihi because he said I saw. So they are coming as maf'ulu bihi. Therefore, it will take the other pattern of kilay rather than kila. MashaAllah. I can say kilahuma yatiyan. Both of them are coming. Here, kila is coming in the marfu. That is why we have the alif kila. But when it is coming in the mansub, it will be kilay. Now moving to the next example bar, we have aina talibatani jadidatani. Where are the two female students? Two new female students. We have kiltahuma indal mudirati. Both of them are with the principal. You can see the word kilta. Why previously we talked about kila? Why is it kilta? Because kilta, here we are referring to females, feminine gender. Therefore, kilta serve this purpose. So he says, kiltahuma indal mudira. Both of them are with the female principal. It will be wrong here for us to say kilahuma because these female students we're talking about are females. They are not males. Under here we have ayyas suratain hafidta. Which of the two surah, which of the two chapters of the Quran do you memorize? The answer says hafidtu kiltayhima. I memorized the both of them. You can see the word kilta, now kiltei, because kiltei is coming as the object of the sentence. I memorized both of them, so use kiltei. From this alone, you have seen 4 patterns. The first is kila, the second is kilei, the third is kilta, the fourth is kiltei, and you know how to use them. Kila and kilei are used for masculine. Kilta and kiltei are used for feminine. Kila is used in the nominative case, while kilei is used in the accusative case. While kilta is also used in the nominative case, kiltei in the accusative case. MashaAllah. Now let's move ahead. We have Abil Arabiyyati katabta al-unwana am bil Faransiyya. Is it with Arabic you wrote the title, the address, or with French, sorry. He said, Katabtu bikiltehima. I wrote with the both of them. Meaning I wrote with both Arabic and English. So the word kilta or kila, whenever they are coming after a harful jar, and harful jar means a preposition, like fi, ila, min, ala, and the rest of them. If the word kila or kilta are coming before them, they will become kildei or kiltei. Just as we have for normal words like modarrisun, you say ilal modarrisi, not modarrisa. Let's move on. Number 2, we have man minkuma maridun al-yawm. Which one of you, who amongst you is sick today? The response is kilana maridun. Both of us are sick. Kilana maridun. Both of us are sick. Kila because they are males. The next question says, min ayna talibatani jadidatan. Where are the 2 new female students from? The response is kiltahuma min Riyadh. Both of them are from Riyadh, Asimatu Saudiya, Mamlakati Saudiya, the capital of Saudi. Number 4, we have Ayyal Mudarrisaini Sa'alta. Which of the 2 teachers did you ask? The response will be Sa'altu kilayhima. I asked both of them. Can you see? This is very nice. And from here, we've understood how to use kila, kilta, kilei, and kiltei. MashaAllah. As we move ahead, you will see further examples that will broaden the scope of this topic. Are we ready? Let's continue. We have Ajib anil as'ilatil atiya musta'amilan kilan wa kilta. This is your own work to do. You are to answer the following questions using the word kila or kilta from your understanding of the usage. The first question we are throwing to you is Ayyul qalamaini do'a. Which of the 2 pens is lost? So what will be your response? Of course you know the word al-qalamu is a masculine word, so when you answer, your response should be with kila, not kilta. So how do you respond? You say do'a kilahuma. Both of them are lost. Good. Number 2, we have Ayyul kitabaini turidu an tashtariya. Which of the 2 books do you want to buy? So you say uridu an ashtariya kilayhima. Now I'm using kilayhima first because the word al-book is a masculine word, and second because it's coming in the accusative case. I say ashtariya kilayhima. Good. Next we have Ayyul majallataini qara'ta. Which of the 2 magazines do you read? So what will be your answer? Your answer will surely be with kilta or kiltei, because majallatun, magazine, is a feminine word. So how do you answer? You say qara'tu kiltayhima. I read both of them. Not kiltahuma, not kilahuma, not kilayhima. The right thing to say is qara'tu kiltayhima. Good. Next we have ayyusa'atayn suriqat. Which of the 2 watches was stolen? Your response will be suriqat kiltahuma. Both of them were stolen. MashaAllah. Can you see? This is nice. So now let's move on. We have ayyul lugataini ta'rifu. Which of the 2 languages do you know? The answer here we have al-urdiyatu or al-urdiyata min farisiyata. Is it Urdu or Faris or Paris language? So your answer will be arifu kiltayhima. I know both of them. Number 6, we have Ayyul umlataini indak. Which of the currencies are with you? Al junayhu amil dollar. Is it pounds or dollars? So which one? You say indi kiltahuma. Both of them are with me. I have both of them. Number 7, we have Ayyu mudarrisil fiqhi gaba al-yawm. Which of the teachers of fiqh was absent today? You say Goba Mudarrisei, Goba kilahuma. Both of them were absent. Yes. Number 8, we have Ayyul babaini fatahta. Which of the two doors do you open? You say Fatahtu kilayhima. I opened the both of them. Lastly, we have, before that we have Ayyun nafidhataini maftuhatun. Which of the two windows is open? You say kiltahuma maftuhatun. Both of them are opened. MashaAllah. Kiltahuma maftuhatani. MashaAllah. Now we have number 10. Man minhuma da'ifun fin nahwi. Which of them is weak? Who amongst them is weak in nahwu, in grammar? You say kilahuma da'ifun. Both of them are weak. Now you can see how do we use the word kila. And lastly, we have kila wa kilta isman lafzuhuma mufradun. The word kila and kilta, they in terms of the words, that the way they are written as singular words. Ma'anahuma muthanna, but they carry the meaning of dual. Wa mura'atul lafzi akthar, but the attention we give to the lafz, to the word as a singular word is more. Nahwu example, we say kilahuma jadidun. Both of them are new. Kiltahuma mujtahidatun. Both of them are hardworking. Wa yajuzu mura'atu ma'nahuma, and it is also okay for us to look at the meaning. MashaAllah, with this we come to the end of our lesson. We ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to grant us good understanding of this topic, and the further topics we'll be coming with in our next episodes. Until we meet again, make sure you like first, share with your friends, drop your comments in the comment section, and click on the join button you can see below to participate in our membership to get members only perks. Don't forget to join our WhatsApp channel for frequent updates. Until we meet again, Jazakumullahu khairan. Wassalamu alaikum.